I've got a Tusk riveting tool here. I'll show you how to put this link on my chain. Alright, first we'll have to take this out. Should have enough room there. Let's see. Alright, once that pin comes out, this is just for pushing the pins out depending on what size chain you got. We're going to use this. It's got that little ball in there, and that's what actually smashes mushrooms out the tips of the rivet. So we'll screw it in. Then we'll use this large anvil piece. It's not threaded or anything, but it's got that divot there for the back side of the rivet that's already on the chain link, and it just pushes inside that hole. What that allows you to do is, once your chain's slid through, be able to put it in there like that, and then twist this, and that'll compress that and mushroom out that rivet. So let's get this set up a little more. It's got two holes down here. That's for you to put your handle in. It just screws in. Let's see if my light will stay on here. Maybe you can see a little better, I don't know. Alright, so we'll start by popping this link out. You're gonna put on a couple O-rings. Those hold your oil seals. Tear open the grease. I like to lube them up quite a bit. Try to get them to pop together here. Now my fingers are greasy. Having to loosen that up quite a bit. Alright, I did end up having to scoot the wheel forward a little bit to get this to loosen up enough. Put a little grease on this side now. Put a little oil seals on there. I end up having to use this press plate first to get the chain to actually squeeze together. So it'll be this round end, and then this little piece. And it'll be put together like that. Get it to hold here. Might be able to apply a little grease to it to get it to stick to the press plate. Back it off and make sure that's started correctly. Yeah, so you can see that it's starting to push in to the rivets. So we'll tighten that on down. I'll put this backing plate back on to catch the manufacturer's side of the rivet. Then on this side I still have the hole, but that'll allow that rivet to pop through there so we have a proper amount actually sticking out of the chain link. That way we can be sure that there's adequate amount sticking out, but it's the same size as the rivet itself. actually got enough sticking out there that we can put a little ball in back in the tool and compress that rivet and mushroom it out so that it holds the chain. So, be back in just a second. Alright, we got one of these on here. I'll do this other one again using the large anvil and the little ball end. And that little ball, you can't see, the little ball sits right inside that rivet right there. When you compress it, it smushes it out. So I'll go ahead and finish this one up. It does take quite a bit of force to get that to mushroom out. When you're done, it should look like that. When it's done, it'll be mushroomed out. You can tell it's got that deep bevel on the inside where it's pushed out. That's all there is to it. You just go back and adjust the chain tension and be safe riding.